welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this video. Let's go. I'll be doing some tofu stir fried. No meat. I'll be using some veggies. Here I have the extra hard organic tofu. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my sauce. And if anyone is interested, I will definitely drop my ingredients in the description box. So here I cut open my tofu, and it normally has a lot of water on it. So I poured my water off and I washed this off, and I did use a paper towel to dry this because it's normally soft. So I use my paper towel to dry. Here I am dicing this up, and I still continue to dry because it's a moist form of vegan dish. I use me some herbs and spices, some ginger. I did use a little Himalayan salt on this. With tofu, it is really hard to be flavored. So I use different herbs and spices. I also used a little lemon pepper on this to season this. And listen, if you follow my ingredients, you can never ever go wrong. So I'll be using some cornstarch because I will be frying this. Yes, I could have probably tried using my air fryer, but I opted to frying. So here I will be using some portobello mushrooms also with my veggies. So I'm just showing you how I remove the middle part and how I dice this before I soak this in some water. And I'm cooking a little white rice because this is a Sunday dinner meal. For this, I use some sweet snap peas, carrots, bell pepper, purple onion, white onion, and I used a lot of garlic. The garlic helps to give this flavor. So I'll be using a little avocado oil to fry these tofu. If you're vegan, welcome to my channel. Drop some comments in the comments section. Please remember to give the video a like. It is free. Once these start to get golden brown, I turn them over. And I will be adding this on paper towel to get any excess oil or some of the excess oil off of this. Look at that. So this is the finished fried tofu. Let me tell you something, this is mouth-watering. You don't miss the Chinese meal because Shell's Island Flavor have it right here on our channel. So I tossed a little avocado oil in my frying pan. Then I tossed all my veggies in and I chose to dice them to that size. Now, once they were sauteed for within 5 minutes, the snap peas, everything I put in it, my mushroom, I allowed to saute, then I added my broccoli. Now, sesame oil helps to enhance the tofu taste and flavor. So I added some on my veggies, and then once I added my tofu, I added additional on it because I did not add it in the sauce. My camera was turned the wrong way, so how I made my sauce, it is not included in the video. However, if anyone is interested, I can drop this in the comments section, in the description section, so you can see it. Let me tell you something. I have not missed eating red meat. This tofu is better than any Chinese takeout. Remember, I told you so. remember your girl got this. You can prep this for lunch, brunch, dinner throughout the week, anything you choose. Healthy, although I fried it, it is okay. It's not as dangerous as we think. Here it is. Once I tossed my tofu in, I allowed this to simmer for an additional 5 minutes. I serve this on a bed of white rice. Look at this. My dream one day is to start my own franchise, my own restaurant preparing meals for the world. Yes, I love cooking to that level. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free and it will help my channel to grow. Remember to like, share, drop a comment, and please remember to set your notification bell. I served my stir fry tofu on a bed of white rice. Thank you again for stopping by. This was my Sunday dinner. It was loved. Everyone spoke about this, how delicious it was. Stay tuned. It doesn't have to always be meat. It's a meat-free Sunday at Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Stay tuned.